baby. Today, Mommy and Baby Aara are going to do a science experiment. We are going to pour some water in the ziplock bag, and after that, we are going to poke the sharpened pencils in it. And let's see, the waters will spill out or not. What do you think, Aara? Water will spill out or not?
No, water will not spill out.
Yeah, Aara is saying water will not spill out. Let's see. According to maybe water will leak, but let's see. Aara, can you help me? Can you pour the water in the bag? Yeah. Thank you, sweetie. Some more. Pour more. Some more. Yeah. Some more. Some more. There you go. Thank you. Finished. And now, can you put some drops of color in it? That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh my God. Okay. Now we have to seal the zip and just shake it.
Shake it.
My God, beautiful blue color water. What color is it?
Water.
Blue color water. And now, time to do the experiment. Aara, can you poke the pencils? Oops. Okay. Take all the pencils out. Okay. Now time to poke the pencils. Yes, very good, sweetie. Yay! See? Oh my God! How it comes. The water is not spilling out. Oh my God. So, okay, Aara, you want to poke one more pencil? Okay. Yes, very good, sweetie. Yes. Yay! Wonderful. One more. Yes. Yay, very good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Yay! One more. Here. Yeah. Here. Okay. Yes. Yay! One more. Here.
One more.
Oops. Maybe we poked so many pencils, a little bit of water is spilling out. Now time to take out all the pencils. Aara, can you take out all the pencils? Yay!
Give me.
Yes.
Take it out. Yes.
Ooh. Oops. Oops. Yay! See? Oh my God, time to squeeze! 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 Ooh. So why does this happen?
Because it's polymer.
Yeah, because the ziplock bags are made of a polymer. And when you poke a sharp pencil through the bag, the pencil slides in between the chain of molecules that make up the polymer. So the molecule chain make a seal around the pencil that won't let the water come out. So that's it. A very simple and cool experiment. You can also try it at home, but be safe, and always when you are going to do a science experiment, call one of your parents so your parent can help you and make sure that you guys are doing your science experiment rightly and safely. Bye-bye. And give a thumbs up.
Hope you like the Mommy Baba.
Oh.